Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Blink mini camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, Blink mini cameras works only on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So if your router is using a combined 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz network, the camera may fail to connect. So in order to fix it, you just have to simply go inside your router's settings. Now inside it, you need to simply enable the 2.4 GHz separately, and then you need to connect your camera to that particular network. This particular step is alone is going to basically fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue in the Blink mini camera. But even after doing this step, the issues still persist. You can just simply check the distance during the setup. Now, during the setup, the camera needs a strong and stable signal. If it is too far from the router, it may fail to connect. So in that case, you need to move the camera closer to the router while setting it up. Once connected, then you can move it back to the original position. Now you need to make sure that you are entering the correct password as well. Also, you need to check whether your router is using the WPA2 security, as some of the cameras have trouble with the advanced settings. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply do a quick reset. In it, you just have to press and hold the power button on your Blink camera until the LED starts blinking. When it does, it simply means that you can start the setup again, and you can do it via the Blink application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.